where do you see the biggest opportunities in real estate? Like, do you see it more in the commercial space? Do you see it more in the single family residential, manufacturing? Where do you see the biggest potential right now?
It's like the demand is there for everything at the right
Mm-hmm.
prices. I think the demand is still there for your suburban neighborhoods versus like for single family. It's like I've talked to a lot of people that buyers want your suburban style built after like 1970 renovations, smaller renovations. They'll pay a higher premium for those than the projects that take longer. Because like for us, like I tell wholesalers, like I don't want anything that's more than a $50,000 renovation. And I don't really want anything built before like 1970. I was like, I'll look at things below that, but like definitely not in the 40s because you're needing wiring, you're needing cast iron plumbing. And it's just like, there's too many other things that can go wrong in that style of renovation. And like, I'll still buy something like that. It's been a long time since I've seen prices that work for stuff like that. I would almost have to have a steal of a deal. Like I'm not even going 70% at that point. I want like 60% of ARV minus repairs.
Well,
just because of the renovation. And I have the market risk. Like, I don't know how long that's going to take. And
Yeah.
the cost of those renovations have gone up so much that it's mind-boggling of what repairs cost right now.